We offer affordable health coverage and also dental plans. Choose Blue Shield today.
Win your share of $125,000 at Morongo. Play slots with your club card Monday through Friday, and you could win up to $1,000 every half hour. Roll 4 dice and get...
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All broadcast stations will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or his representative will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Stand by for this alert broadcast. This is not a test. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will be relayed shortly. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WFLA News Channel 8. We will continue to serve the Tampa Bay area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Tampa Bay area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is WFLA News Channel 8. This station will continue furnishing news, official information and instructions for the Tampa Bay area. If you are not in the Tampa Bay area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the station in your local area.
Pay your utmost attention to this broadcast. The lives of you and others are in extreme danger. This message is to be broadcasted across every channel nationwide. This is a level threat Apollyon announcement. The following instructions are crucial for your survival. At this time, all residents, no matter where you are ordered by the United States government to seek immediate shelter and block out all outside lighting. Due to a meteorological event of an unknown origin, an estimated 1 billion people have been declared deceased upon this activation. You are ordered to stay away from all outside lighting. Seek shelter in a room with no lighting emitted by the sun. Shelters that are structured or man-made provide the most effective protection, unlike formerly wooded areas, which should be highly circumvented. It is not attempted to travel outdoors due to the current conditions, unless absolutely necessary. Wear protective clothing that must fully cover the skin, possibly several layers. In addition, traveling by foot is highly discouraged and should be limited as much as possible. Secure all entrances to your home and windows to your shelter as much as you can. Do not attempt to look outside nor go near any lighting emitted by the sun. Any unusual noises or activity outside must not be investigated, even if it is someone trying to get in your shelter. If possible, refuse any requests from persons wanting to come inside your shelter.
No matter how human they are, euthanasia is not to be attempted.
People exposed to the light cannot be abandoned by themselves.
You are highly encouraged to not take full accountability to yourself and thinking you know better.
The light has been neutralized. Come outside and view the sun's gaze.
The surface of the ground has been declared safe to view. This broadcast will assist transmission.
Coba kamu baca yang di depan.
Ay mo kay buli po mama ni ay. Ay mo kay buli po bapa ni ay.